Lesdrevmash International Exhibition is a premier international event that brings together the entire woodworking and timber processing community in one dynamic, innovation-driven environment.
Welcome to I Like Events TV, your gateway to the world's top exhibitions and trade shows. Let's explore today's event.
The exhibition showcases cutting-edge machinery, advanced automation systems, smart technologies, and high-quality materials shaping the future of the wood industry. From primary processing to furniture production, visitors experience a complete value chain under one roof. With inspiring demonstrations, expert-led sessions, and unparalleled sourcing opportunities, the event serves as a powerful platform for networking, knowledge exchange, and discovering next-generation solutions. Lesdrevmash International Exhibition is an event, and I like events.
Want to join this event? Check the link in the description for tickets, hotels, and booth services. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay updated with global events.